Welcome to Study at Home's YouTube channel. Friends, are you ready to take your financial risk management game to the next level? Look no further than the US FRM course. This certification program is no joke. It's going to challenge you and excite you, all while helping you gain advanced knowledge and skills in financial and risk management, opening to a world of job opportunities in India as well as abroad with high earning potential. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about the US FRM, a United States course, including its eligibility requirement, opportunities, fees, course structure, exam pattern, and almost everything. What sets this course apart is that it does not require any formal degree but only class 12th qualification, making it accessible to a wider range of learners. So buckle up and get ready to take your finance career to a new height with prestigious US FRM course. This program has recently seen a lot of growth as well as popularity. This is the course for you if you are interested in risk management and the financial industry. I am CA Raj K Agrawal, having qualified CA with All India rank. Let's get started by exploring the US FRM course in detail. Financial Risk Manager or FRM is a credential for risk management expert that is accepted throughout the world. This course covers a wide range of subjects, including among others financial market, risk management, quantitative analysis. Now let's talk about the job roles and opportunities that the US FRM course can open up for you. As I mentioned earlier, with this certification, you will be qualified for a range of job roles, including risk manager, risk analyst, risk consultant, and many more offered by corporate giants of every sector like KPMG, L&T, Tata Capitals, Kotak Mahindra, Flipkart, etc. etc. In addition to this, the US FRM course is recognized globally, which means you will have the opportunity to work in different countries and with different types of organizations, such as banks, insurance companies, asset management firm, etc. One of the most common career paths for FRM graduates in India is in banking and finance. As banks and financial institutions hire FRM professionals to manage their risk management functions, assess credit risk, and make strategic financial decisions. Additionally, investment banks and consulting firms also seek FRM graduates to provide expert advice on risk management and financial risk analysis. Another area where FRM graduates can find opportunities in India is in insurance sector. Insurance companies require skilled professionals who can access and manage risk associated with insurance products. An FRM certification is highly valued in this sector, and many companies seek FRM graduates to fill their risk management position. As an FRM graduate, you can also find employment opportunities in the government sector, particularly in regulatory bodies. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) and Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) are just a few of the regulatory bodies that seek FRM professionals to ensure compliance with regulation and manage risk. According to recent data, the average salary of a freshly qualified FRM in India ranges between 10 lakh to 15 lakh per annum. And this is for a fresher. However, this figure can vary depending on factors such as your level of experience, the type of organization you are working for, and also the location. It's worth noting that having a US FRM certification can significantly increase your earning potential in the field of risk management. So who is eligible to take the US FRM course? Well, as I told you in very beginning of this video, there are no specific educational requirement for this course, which means you can apply for the FRM Part 1 exam after completing your class 12th. Let's dive a bit deeper into the US FRM course. Firstly, let's talk about the course structure of FRM. The US FRM course consists of 2 levels, with level 1 focusing on the foundation of risk management and level 2 covering advanced topics such as market risk, credit risk, and operational risk. Each level has recommended study time of around 200 to 300 hours. So it's important to set aside enough time to prepare for the exams. Moreover, you must pass both exams within 4 years of Part 1 registration and possess a minimum of 2 years of experience in risk management or a related domain within 5 years of qualifying Part 2. Don't worry about the experience part. Once you qualify both the exams, you can apply in many companies and banks who look for FRM Part 2 qualified candidates to work in their risk management department as full-time employees, which will simultaneously be counted as work experience requirement. Right? So 2 in 1. You have got the full-time job and that is being considered as work experience, which will make you eligible for FRM degree. Coming on to the exam pattern, level 1 consists of 100 multiple choice questions that need to be completed within 4 hours. The question covers topics such as quantitative analysis, financial market and products, and risk management foundations, while level 2 consists of 80 multiple choice questions that need to be completed within 4 hours. The question covers more advanced topics such as market risk, credit risk, operational risk, and risk management and investment management. It's important to note that the US FRM course is not easy and the exams are known for being quite challenging. However, with dedication and hard work, it is definitely achievable. The passing rate for level 1 is around 40 to 50%, while the passing rate for level 2 is around 50 to 60%. The total fees for FRM ranges from $1,600 to $2,000, which means the total cost in INR would be approximately 1,30,000 to 1,65,000. To make it easy for you, let's understand the breakdown of FRM fees. Firstly, FRM enrollment fee, which is $400, approximately rupee 33,000. Second, then comes the FRM Exam Part 1 or Part 2 fee, which is $600, or you can say rupee 49,500 for early registration candidate, and $800, or you can say rupee 66,000 for rest, that is the standard fee, who have got registered after the due date. Third, while FRM study material cost depends on the provider you choose, personally I would recommend going to studyathome.org for video lectures, as you will discover India's finest educators there with outstanding results. Check out the description box for the link. Lastly, remember that this course requires a lot of dedication and hard work. So it's important to make sure you have the time and commitment to complete it. In conclusion, the US FRM course is an excellent choice for anyone looking to advance their career in risk management. With a globally recognized certification and a high salary potential, this course is definitely worth considering. I hope this video has been informative and helpful for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Jai Hind.